like walking down these steps to get to the bottom.
Oh.
And they weren't like this, they were quite rickety. They were horrible. And it was thousands of them.
Maybe there are loads of them there.
And I hadn't lost my balance then,
Yeah.
and I still didn't like it. I think that's probably cool, making us go up those steps and back down again. Oh, are we going literally back down where we came from?
I don't know. No, it's different
Oh,
way.
it's different. That's right.
This is going to the other side.
Yeah.
We came from there.
Actually, these aren't the best shoes for slippery stone. They're right in the mud.
So I'm standing. What is standing?
They're following the sea. Quite fine to come across this, isn't it? You know.
So ano yan? Ah, glossy swift.
Bali ngayon pala ako. Yung pangapat natin, ito na po siya yung Bigang Cave.
Unir na, bawat ka na.
Bigang Cave po sa ng Palawan po yan. Sa ibig sabihin po yan. Yung white stone. So ito siya, ang Bigang Cave. At pag pinirap natin sa labas, napakalit lang siya. Pero pagdating sa loob, napakalaki po siya. So ito siya ay nasa 5 to 600 liters ang kanyang layo. So kung mapapansin po natin minsan kasi pag malakas ang hangin dito sa kabila, lumalabas kasi yung hangin dito. Pero yung kanya, yung amoy niya, may kasama siya yung kain ng paliki. No? So ito naman siya is inalagamit ito sa pinapasok. 50 meters lang inalagamit. Kasi doon sa 50 meters, mayroon na po siyang tubig. Tubig na hindi tabang. Kung baga, yan ay natural galing sa stalactites. So ito siya, 50 meters lang po. Boy! Sino po yung willing magpasok sa loob?
Ilawan mo nga.
Doon sa ma'am. Sa loob, maganda pa sa loob. Malaki.
Barito speaking. Nandito. I'm our counter 2 please. Bulawan.
Yan.
Ay,
Ay, paray naman sampay.
ang daming tumutubong ano. Stalagmite. Hindi malos makita. Hanggang dyan lang ako. Mabasa na para to.
So where's the water come from then? That comes out
From
the cave?
From the above.
From the mountain?
Yeah.
Is this bird droppings?
No,
Or is this mud?
mud. It's water dropping from the stalagmite.
Stalactites.
What is that? Stalagmite?
Stalagmites and stalactites.
Stalactites.
Tights go down, mites go up.
And then later on
Later on what?
the cave is already full of.
Stalagmites.
You cannot enter anymore.
It takes quite a long while.
A long time.
I'd like to take you to Cathedral Cave one day,
Where?
where it's a dive. You have to go in underwater.
Oh my God.
But it's not very deep. It's pretty amazing.
Ah,
Yeah. Very easy job. Yeah, but there's stalagmites coming down.
It's nice, ah. It's not too much, smelly there.